taking bath. When it was time for the Bodhisattva's bath at the luminous grove, Queen Maya Devi grabs a branch of a briksha tree, and without any pain, the Bodhisattva emerged toward the right side of her ref amidst miraculous signs. The gods showered colors upon him, and the Naga kings bathed him in fragrant water which possesses superior qualities. Likewise, Brahma in India offered him the finest robes. As soon as he was born, he said, "I am the supreme one in this world," and took 7 steps in each of the 4 directions. Lotuses sprang up from his prints. At the same time, the birth of 500 children into noble families took place, as well as the birth of 800 maidens, including Princess Yashodhara, 500 servants, including Chandaka, 10,000 horses, including Kantaka, and 10,000 cows and bullocks. Furthermore, the Bodhi tree appeared in the center of the continent at Bodh Gaya, along with 500 gardens and 500 treasuries, so that all of his father King Suddhodana's desires were fulfilled. Therefore, he named his son Siddhartha, meaning all aims accomplished. Then the sage Ashita looked attentively at the prince and smiled with great joy. But almost as quickly a tear dropped from his eye. King Suddhodana asked Ashita why he wept. The sage replied, "If he stays at home, he will become a universal emperor. Or should he favor the life of a homeless renunciant without depending upon any other savior, he will become a Buddha in this world," explained the sage. I wept because by the time the prince becomes a fully awakened one, I shall not be around. After saying this, he kneeled down in great respect. Siddhartha's mother, Queen Maya Devi, passes away 7 days after he was born, and she took part in the heaven of the 33. Her demise was not the fault of Bodhisattva, but as she could not bear to see her son renounce the worldly life, she suffered a premature death. Siddhartha was then entrusted to his maternal aunt, Ma Prajapati, and 32 nurses, among whom had care for him on their lambs, and were breastfeeders, and were his playmates, had cleaned his body, and they all brought him up like a lotus that has to be nurtured very carefully. Thank you for listening and watching.